So a lot of people ask us, how do we guarantee that we're going to make $45,000 minimum net profit off of each one of these land home packages that we do? Well, I'm going to go ahead and give it to you today. We do one thing very well, and it's project what we're looking at. This sheet, I'm going to tell you about this Google sheet that I'm going to provide to you today. I will provide it at a very low cost, and it's going to be all yours if you stick around to the end of this video and pay the fee. I'm not going to say what it's going to be yet. You'll be shocked at how cheap it's going to be. So guys, I want to share with you the Google sheet that allows us to know if we're going to be wildly profitable or make a huge mistake on any of our land home packages. So if you don't know me, Chris and Robert, we build mobile homes, brand new mobile homes on our vacant raw land. We get this land for very cheap, and then we put a very discounted brand new mobile home on it, and we sell it for massive profit. Most of the time, our average is $45,000 net profit per land home package. Guys, I don't care what the interest rates are doing. I don't care what the real estate market is doing, but there will always be a need for affordable housing. So I want to tell you about this sheet and how it keeps us organized. So I made some little notes on my computer here. So if you're like, Brent's reading from a script, I promise you it's not scripted. I just want to make sure that I give you everything that's included in this sheet that you're going to be getting access today if you decide to purchase it. All right, so what is included? Here's what you'll be getting in this Google sheet. It is a project template. It's a very robust turnkey solution that's designed to streamline every step of your land-based home project. So what's included in it? We got it phase-based. It's a workflow layout. So this spreadsheet is thoroughly and thoughtfully divided into phases. We've divided into due diligence phase, site prep phase, and actual what we're budgeting versus what it actually costs us to do something. So this is a comprehensive check tracking list and task tracking. So each row represents a critical task, such as what do we purchase the land for? How much is the soil test going to cost? And when does the mobile home get delivered? And also, when is the power hookup? All these things are so important, but they're small items, but they're very costly if you miss any of these. It's like a mosquito. It kills more people than sharks and tigers and bears put together. The small things are what gets you in business. All right, so we've also got it broken down into item notes. Has the request been sent? Have we confirmed these notes? When is it scheduled for? What contractor is doing it? What we budgeted? What the actual cost is? Is there a difference? And what is the vendor's information? Because it's hard to lose track when you got 9 or 10 of these going on at one time. And then you've got financial clarity. Number 3, you get a complete financial overview. The sheet captures budgeted costs versus what is actually costing you, what you're going to spend. It calculates a difference and includes total expenses on the line. There's even a dedicated section for calculating sales price, what you're going to sell the land and home package for, what you're going to pay your commission to your realtor, how much closing costs, how much you're paying to your lender, and then most importantly, what you're going to make on that deal, profit per home. So you always know your financial position at a complete quick glance. Number 4, there's ready to use templates. Everything you need is in one place. We got vendor names, we got the contact information, and its itemized costs are already part of the template. I mean, these are our prices that we're paying. It might be different in other states, but you're going to customize it to your particular situation, and then you're good to go. Number 5, it's built for ease of use. You want to add or remove tasks? Easy. You want to bring in new vendors? Change it. Cost estimates? Simple. The layout scales with your project without losing clarity or your structure. All right, why is this Google Sheet a game changer? Well, it's going to give you efficiency in project management. It's going to allow all your tasks and dates and vendors to be visible at one glance in an organized grid. It's going to give you budget control. Super important, guys. If you've run out of money on a project like I have, it is embarrassing. It's frustrating. It's gut punching. It will make you absolutely sick. This allows you to track your budget versus what it's actually costing you in real time. I've said this a couple times, but let me tell you, what we think is happening compared to what is happening is sometimes very different. Enhanced collaboration. If you have a team, a small team, a project manager, we can fill in columns like request sent, or it's confirmed, or it's paid, or reimbursed. It's customizable and reusable. You can tweak it now, later, and it'll adapt to the project as your projects evolve. So who's this perfect for? It's perfect for developers just like you and I that want to develop mobile homes on land. It's good for project managers that oversee our projects and allow for site prep and installation. And it's also great for investors tracking profitability and covering the cost per the unit. All right, so this spreadsheet isn't just a document, it's your command center. And for staying on target and on budget and in control from the dirt to the doorstep is what I like to say. You want help customizing your specific project? Just reach out. I'm happy to walk you through these steps. And as promised, I told you I'd offer you this Google Doc for very cheap. Guys, we are offering this Google Doc for $27 today. That's today only. 24 hours is how long you're gonna have to buy this.